So my name's Anna. I'm a probation officer, community youth worker with Regina Community Corrections. That's with the Ministry of Corrections, Policing, Public Safety. Regina Community Corrections is an essential part of the provincial justice system. We provide supervision services for adults and youth in the community. So as a probation officer, community youth worker, I supervise individuals in the community who are justice involved. We help to facilitate rehabilitative services. Our mission is really to maintain the rule of law. We want to safeguard society, all while upholding the rights of citizens. Case planning is a huge part of my role, as well as collaboration. So we use those two in conjunction with each other to facilitate really strong reintegration plans and hopefully set our clients up for the most success. Typical workday, so a lot of administrative duties, emailing, correspondence, meeting with clients. Client engagement usually includes certainly a touch base, but for the most part, we are working using CBT, which is cognitive behavioral therapy, to just help identify those thinking errors that can contribute to criminal behaviors, as well as using what's called relapse prevention planning. And that helps us to work with the client so that they can determine any exit strategies or thoughts, feelings, or behaviors that can additionally contribute to those negative behaviors. I would say that my career path has been quite linear. I've always been really passionate about advocacy. I grew up in what we would describe as a marginalized community. So while I was studying at the University of Regina, I studied human justice. It became very clear to me that part of the problem was that oftentimes justice-involved individuals aren't really understanding the process and are struggling to make those positive changes. I got an opportunity to work with the John Howard Society for a program that provides reintegration services to adults and youth who are justice involved. They have multiple houses throughout the city, as well as support services to ensure that they're able to obtain items such as identification, food items, clothing, household items, and if they have children, items to support that as well. Right away from there, I started applying to be a probation officer because I knew that community safety is obviously a huge priority for myself. Sometimes people that's not their experience, and they need some help navigating that path. I completed my degree in, like I said, human justice, and then I completed practicum placements with the John Howard Society. I've participated in volunteer groups with my church to provide meals and community to marginalized individuals. And then I'm continually growing my training as well. So participating in ASSIST training, which is suicide intervention training, VITRA, and so on from there. People who work in corrections come from a number of different backgrounds, and that provides us with quite a depth of understanding and outlook. We have people in our office who have worked for government previously but are coming from highways or from environment. We have people in our office who've worked with community-based organizations such as Ranch Erlo or, like I mentioned before, the John Howard Society. That in its own way brings a lot of diversity and different levels of understanding. I would say most importantly, empathy. It really helps to understand the challenges that our clients are facing. And adaptability. The landscape is always changing. I guess the best way to put it really is you have to be ready for anything. We need to be ready to address issues that our clients are facing in the moment to make sure that we're supporting them in the best way that we possibly can. I love the ability to be part of somebody's success story, especially for those who have faced just so much adversity. It's really meaningful to see the impact that clients are able to make on their own lives with the tools that they already have, but that also can be given to them. And I think that's why I do what I do. The demand for professionals in community corrections is constant. We don't just have probation officers within our office, we have administrative roles, we have sentence management, program facilitation, so there's really an opportunity for everybody. I would recommend starting with getting involved with community-based organizations, whether that's through volunteering, whether that's through school-led opportunities, internships, practicums. I would recommend taking part in as much training as they possibly can that they're offered in the field. And then as far as education, it's really beneficial to have something in the social sciences, such as social work, human justice, psychology. All of that background is really helpful. Representation matters. Diversity in corrections brings a wealth of cultural knowledge and sensitivity that not everyone possesses, and that helps to facilitate stronger understanding of the people who are coming into our office as clients on a day-to-day basis. I would say that passion matters, and to do what really motivates you.